Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial today on this slightly more colorful winter slash holiday look. I've been trying to wear a little bit more colors, a little bit darker makeup just because it's winter, almost winter I guess, and it feels right. So anyway, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, so I have my sunscreen, my BB cream, and my concealer on. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my favorite blush, the Cloud Paint in Dusk, which I feel like I use in every single tutorial. So yeah, it's my number one. I basically always have it on, like every day I wear makeup. No matter what other blush colors I'm putting on, even if I'm not putting anything else on, I always put it like all over my face. I put it a little bit on my forehead, obviously on my cheeks, a little bit on my chin here, and then sometimes just a tiny bit on my eyes. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this 3CE Multipot. I used this in my last tutorial, I believe, and I have continued to use it since then. I love it so much. This with the Glossier Cloud Paint is basically like what I use every day. Like a kind of pinky cherry red. It's really, really pretty and not nearly as dark, even though it's really pigmented. It's not nearly as dark and scary as it looks in the pot. I basically put it everywhere all the way up my cheek. I've tried putting it like around like I usually do, but since I already have some pink and red on my face, it kind of just made me look like I just like ran a flight of stairs or something. Like I was like clowny red. That's not really my look. I have put this on my eyes before. I'm not going to because I already put the Dusk on there. But it does look nice on your eyes if you're going for like a full pink effect. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows really quick. I've talked about these before, but I'll just mention them. It's the Innisfree Skinny Brow Pencil and Skinny Fixercara. They're my ultimate brow duo. If you are interested in seeing how I do my brows exactly, I talked about it a little bit more in my last video, or my last tutorial, so I'll link that above me if you're interested. Otherwise, let's move on. Alright, so next I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Peanut Butter Palette, and even though I'm really tempted to use, really want to use the jelly color, the bright purple, I feel like I just did a color like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Peanut Butter, which is the matte light brown shade. It's the color of peanut butter. I'm gonna use a brush with this because I cannot remember if you can use fingers easily with it, so I'm just gonna go ahead with a brush. All right. I'm gonna kinda move it around so it's in the corner a little bit too. These are not, I'm just literally describing what I'm doing because I don't know any of the terms for what I'm doing, but you can see what I'm doing. Pretty easy to copy. So then I'm just gonna blend it out some more. Like blend for 5 minutes because the key to a pretty light smoky eye is blending, obviously. So pretty! I love this color so much. And then I'm going to take the color Peanut Brittle, which is like a bronzy gold shade. I'm gonna put it right in the middle here. Kind of mix it out. I'm usually not a huge fan of bronzes. I don't know why. They look so pretty in the pan always, and then once I put them on my eyes, I don't know if it's like my skin tone or what. But it just always looks really bad on me. I don't know. I love gold, but for some reason bronze just, maybe it's the orangey color. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this in the middle. Just make it a little bit more pigmented. We are going a little bit into orange territory, but still keeping it brown. Alright, so I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take Peanut Butter Cup, which is a just sparkly brown, which is my jam right now. I wear sparkly brown like every day and just kind of mix it in. Wasn't really the plan, but yeah, I don't really like the orangey that this is getting to be. There we go. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god. I don't usually mix this many colors together on my eyes because usually I want something simpler, but wow, this is a beautiful combo. It's just like a little bit of orange at the top. Oh, so pretty. Okay. This is what I want. This is what I want. Yay, I fixed it. We're just about done. I'm gonna blend a little bit more on the top because I feel like these are a little uneven, and then we'll be ready. Okay, I think I've got it to where I want it. I've like completely blended out on my hand, but oh well. Alright, so a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use the Glossier Lashslick. So almost finished. I'm just gonna put on my lip tint. This honestly would be great by itself if you just want like a little tinted lip balm or even like a clear lip gloss. I feel it would look really good with this. But there's this lip tint that I've been using that I really like. So I'm gonna put that on and then we're all done. So a few weeks ago I got this Banila lip tint. I've never tried any, no, I tried their makeup remover, but that's about it. I haven't tried like anything else from them. So I was really excited, and it's really pretty, like Christmassy red lip tint. So yeah, put a little bit of this on. Right, I wiped all my lip balm off too that I had on, because lip tints don't really work as well when you have lip balm on, not surprisingly. And this lip tint is really pretty. I need a little bit more, but I really would not recommend it if you have like super dry lips. My lips have been really dry this year, but I only put it on once I've done like a lip mask or had lip balm sitting on it for a really long time. Because if you have like any sort of flaking, it just looks awful. Alright, so that is it for my tutorial. Like usual, please let me know if you have any questions about any of the products I used. A lot of these are ones that I use all the time, so yeah, I can hopefully answer your questions. I may even have answered your question in a previous video. And yeah, please like this video and subscribe. I do lots of videos like this. And if you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. You can get more updates on when I post videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.